Trailer breakdowns affect delivery deadlines, compromise safety, and ultimately impact the bottom line. But with TrailerCare by Trailcon, you can keep your fleet on the road and profits rolling in, all the while enjoying a hassle-free experience. The numbers speak for themselves. Our customers report a decrease of 11 to 15% in out-of-service time after switching to TrailerCare, along with overall uptimes of over 95%. Our MyTrailcon portal helps schedule critical preventative maintenance while giving you access to up-to-the-minute fleet data and analytics. Our certified technicians are equipped with cutting-edge diagnostic equipment and repair facilities. And with 24/7 365 roadside assistance across North America, you'll rest assured of immediate support when breakdowns do happen. Don't let fleet maintenance slow you down. Choose TrailerCare by Trailcon and enjoy a streamlined and cost-effective maintenance experience for your fleet. Schedule a free consultation today